Let me teach you how to reinstall Bluetooth drivers on Windows using the Microsoft or the official method. Now, I have to say that if you were to get lost at any moment on this video, I'm going to leave you down below this guide, first link in the description, that goes over everything we're about to do and maybe even a little bit more in case something is left out in this video. With that said, let's go ahead and begin. The first thing you actually want to do is press Windows plus X on your keyboard, and when you press that, you're going to get this right here, and we're going to press Device Manager. That is going to open this menu right here, and you should find Bluetooth in here right away. Sometimes you might not see Bluetooth, but you might actually be able to find your Bluetooth device under other devices or unknown devices, something like that, but usually you will have Bluetooth in here. Now, what you want to do once you see Bluetooth in here is actually go ahead and open it up. And as you can see, I have generic Bluetooth adapter, which is actually weird because I'm supposed to have more drivers in here, which is great that I'm making this video because we're gonna go ahead and fix that real quick. Now, once you see this in here, the first thing you want to do is right click on whatever you have in here under Bluetooth, and you want to go ahead and uninstall it. We're going to completely delete it. We're not going to update it. You could go ahead and try that, and if it works, great. But I know most of you want to do a clean install, so what we're gonna do is go ahead and uninstall this Bluetooth device in here, and our Bluetooth should go away completely from here. Again, remember, you might be able to find that under other devices or unknown devices. Just look around in here, you might be able to find it. Now, once we have gotten rid of our, let's say, bad instance of our Bluetooth driver, we're going to close Device Manager and we're going to restart our computer. So all you have to do is right click on Start right here, and then under Shutdown or Sign Out, just go ahead and restart your PC, because restarting your PC will actually reinstall your drivers. Now, I recommend that you finish this video and then restart it, or that after you restart your PC, you reopen this tab so you can keep watching this video. But now I'm gonna go ahead and restart my computer real quick. And then after we restart our computer and it opens up again and everything loads, all we have to do now is press Windows plus X at the same time, and then we're gonna head over to Device Manager one more time. And if everything went right, we should now have Bluetooth in here with all the drivers updated. And that is it. Super easy, super simple. We just have to let Windows handle it for us. And if you guys didn't get this to work, then what I would recommend, and as you will see here on this article on step number 4 or after step 3, is to actually do it manually. By first, you could just go to Google and then search up the model of your computer and then put Bluetooth driver next to it. If you have a Lenovo, if you have a Surface, or whatever brand it is that you're using, just try and go ahead and find it from the official page of your manufacturer. But if that doesn't work, you could go down here to the step 4 and then press where it says catalog update microsoft.com, and then here you could just put Bluetooth driver and then just go ahead and put, let's say that you're using Windows 11. Now, ideally, you would actually put the Windows version that you're using in here. So just depending when you're watching this video, that Windows version will change. But you would just put it in here, and then you could download drivers from this page, and they should work because this is an official Microsoft catalog page. But there you guys have it. That's how to reinstall the drivers for Bluetooth on your computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.